Right, so we're here with the KDD912H rear butterflies with hydro-pneumatic suspension. Quick run through of the MegaCUT controller and how to set pressure. So with these machines, we set them to about 70 bar of pressure. The more pressure you put in the accumulators, the more floaty the cutter bars will be. The less pressure, the more it will engage with the ground. So first thing we do, we've got right and left. Got the right one there at the moment showing 0 bar. We just slowly put some pressure in there. So we've got about 74 in there, so that's reading 74, 73 bar. And we've also got a gauge down here as well. So I'll accept that. We'll do the other side. And with that, we're good to mow. Lower the hitch, bottom link pin down to about 50-55 centimeters, and you'll find your MegaCUT arrows there will be pretty close to lined up. In this mode here, we can just move our SCVs and it'll automatically go into a headland, both sides. If say we just want one working into headland, we just push the button there and only the one side would lift. The other side will stay engaged with the ground. And we have two buttons down here for transport lock. So that completely disables it. To fold the machine, use the bottom button. There is one trick with these. When it comes to folding them, you must have pressure in the accumulators for it to actually fold. If you don't have enough, it will sit just sort of slightly out at 45 degrees. To mow with them, they need to be set at least higher than 60 bar. Anything below 60 bar and it will throw a warning code at you that the pressure is too low. So you simply push the button again and put some more pressure into the system. On the other side there, if you have got too much pressure in the accumulator, like let's say over 100 bar, the cutter bars won't engage with the ground, they'll sit there floating above the ground. Now to relieve the pressure, if you're taking the machine off the tractor, what we do is activate the side we want, and you just put your SCV into float and the pressure will go away.